So you can see a box, cup and handle. This signals a pump in a lower time frame, like 1 minute time frame, and it is always accurate. Anytime you see it, it is always accurate. Now it starts like this. You are going to see something that looks like this. Let me just draw this. Okay, I'm going to cancel it, but I just want to figure out something. I'm going to show you something that looks like this. It is very, very, very accurate. It is very accurate. It will go up. To be honest with you, it always goes up. You just target here, target something like this, and place it here, like this, and that is where you take your profits from. That is where you take your profits from. That is how it is. It always happen every 1 hour time frame. Whenever you see this, take it that way. It is a pump. You can even target it twice. You can target here as take profit 1, and if it is more sharp, you can also target here as take profit 2, something like this, as take profit 2. But I don't advise take profit 2 because the probability of take profit 2 is not certain. But this number 1, this one is very certain. It always happens. It always happens. First of all, how it happens is that it will start with a short uptrend inside the 1 minute time frame. A very small up. You see some up and down like this in the upper Bollinger Band. You can see it. Look at one. Look at another one. Look at another one. And then suddenly a shift. You're going to see a shift. Red candles and green candles. Red, green, red. You see the shift. Okay? You're going to see the shift. Then suddenly it will now form something like this. Something like a box here. Then the next thing, when it comes back to a zone like this zone, when it comes down back to a zone like this, it begins to pump. When it comes down to touch this zone, it begins to pump. The only thing that will not validate this is if this candlestick here beats this one and go below it, then it will not happen, it will not work. But as soon as you see this, you see a candlestick like this one, then suddenly it comes down to this, then another bullish candle, take a sharp entry. It will begin to pump, it will begin to go up, it will continue to go up, begin to go up. Let's just watch it a little. Let's see if it will continue or it will just reverse, if there will be a reversal or a continuation over it. So this is our calculation. This is our calculation, right? This is our calculation. Let's do it again. This and this, which take profit 1 is being achieved. This take profit 1. You can see take profit 1 is being achieved. So let's see if take profit 2 will work out. I'm not advising anybody to use take profit 2 because sometimes it will just stop somewhere like middle of here, and sometimes it does go up and bounce back with full force. So I usually advise this take profit 2. So just go for take profit 1. Once you just get your take profit 1, you can see it will bounce back. When it touches this side, just watch it the way it will bounce. Just watch this. Watch out. Just watch out and see for yourself. Just watch this strategy. This is a very mad one. I'm doing this thing live, okay? You can see it. I'm doing it live. I'm not following something that I'm not following a replay back. You can see the time. You can see the time, right? And you can see the time I'm recording the video. So anytime you see something like this, just take it. It is very, very accurate. It's one of the factors is when it begins to respect the Bollinger Band. When it begins to respect the Bollinger Band, it comes down here and it reverses to the upside, and comes down here and reverses to upside. Once you start respecting the Bollinger Band, it will give you a very responsive candlestick, the one that will blow your trade, the one will blow your mind. The one will blow your mind. I'm telling you seriously. So that is just it for today. So if you wanna see the rest video, go and check it out for yourself. Go and do your own analysis. 2, 1. All right. All right. You can see what we have, right? You can see what happened at that same junction. Remember that junction was our take profit one, and look at. So for this coin to continue, this movement, it either have to. Let me use the pointer. From this junction, which is our take profit one, it either have to dip. What the fuck? So you can. This is what I was expecting then. I was counting down here, thinking that it would just break it sharp. I didn't even know that it even went ahead to even make another high right here. That means it took not just one trade, but giving it take profit 3. Look at that is 3 times. Remember how we got this our first one? We got it from here, which was our take profit 1, right? Which was this side. Then we use it to calculate this, and now this. So after it, you can see it went down drastically. After being exhausted, it went down drastically. So it will come down to respect this.